Hi, Star White here, StarWhiteReviews.com. If you haven't been here before, please click the button below this video to subscribe and also the bell so you don't miss another video when I'm making a video. So here's the review on big ticket commissions. That I'm going to give away and only available until the clock runs down. Special bonuses for access to affiliate traffic lab when Kowski product involved. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think there's over 17 plus what he's going to give you, so that's worth about $3,000 worth of things easy that are free. Plus, you're going to get over 600 more bonuses for me. 0-hour workday, $9,259.74 per month is 0-hour workdays. It's only about 2 steps to making money. Start today, quit the 9 to 5, live anywhere and get more. You're going to get free access to that. Bonus to England's lazy method. Discover a newbie-friendly ultra-way turning 2 hours per week into 1,500 per month. No paid traffic needed. It's easy, free traffic. It's only affiliate method that works without watching and much more. You're also going to get free access to that. 10 times commission. This is a secret to 10K a month in your spare time. Set up 30 minutes. 10 times commission strategy, affiliate promotions, more. And this is by a big affiliate, and this really does work. You're going to get free access also to that. 5-figure freedom. Step-by-step method for building a 5-figure monthly income in less than 1 hour a day. This same plan has made Mr. X millions of dollars. This can be made $3,000 to $5,000 per day and more. Free access to that trade. The Awakening, your next system, thanks to total newbie 214.83 per hour using 100% traffic. This is 100% newbie friendly to make thousands of dollars passive income or more. Free access. Bonus tip, currently never before seen method makes 278.62 per hour with free traffic for 20 minutes to get set up. It's brand new and it uses 100% free tools, scalable to know, and passive income and more. So those are some of the bonuses, and they're only coming from me. And like I said, you have to claim them before the timer runs down. And this is what the pages will look like. And you just scroll down on any of these buttons and click them, and you'll also get all those bonuses. And this is the actual sales page. And it says the world's first automatic high ticket commission system, brand new web-based app generates instant high ticket commissions, red hot buyer traffic under 60 seconds. We use this app to make thousands of commissions daily, 100% done for. And there's lots of stuff on this. You can go through this at your leisure. Also a video that shows you exactly how to work and everything that you're going to get. And this is the actual sales dashboard that they did today. And they didn't use any of their own email apparently to get these results. So that was pretty great. And this is what is actually helping them now kind of money you can with the system. You just follow these instructions. And it is brought to you by, I know there's a picture too. This is Glenn Kowski. He's a super affiliate. And this is who has made this program. So he knows what he's doing. So here we are. We're going to go over to the dashboard. This is big ticket commissions, and this is the dashboard. You just have to fill in your profile. Simple, easy stuff. Autoresponder. They have, let me see. It takes just a second for this. Just wait a minute for it to load it. It should be up in here. Here we go. All right, Auburn. You can put in get a response, MailChimp, active campaign, send a link, convert, HubSpot, send you. So you can collect all emails. So you put your autoresponder in here, and all you have to do is like, let me see, click that, get a response. So you can collect the emails and build your list. You can also make a brand new campaign. You don't have to use the already made few campaigns. So if you know how to do this, you just press create. And if you have a webinar or another system you really want to promote, you just fill in the page title, the tokens, instructions, tells you exactly how to do it. And then over here in the settings, all you have to do is put in your affiliate link and a few other things. That's it. if you want to make one of your own. Otherwise, you can just go ahead with these dump emails, which is really cool. They give you 4, I believe. Yeah, 4. And they give you the opt-in pages for them, the webinar page URL, and the URL for the download page. And the first one, Sci-Fi, this is simple. This is your first one, and this is the actual page that give you to sign up and collect emails. The next one is, this is the webinar. It'll take you to the webinar now, so you don't have to do that work either. And then your affiliate link will be in here. If you purchase this, you will make money. And then the next page, I believe, is your thank you page and whatever you decided to give them, which bonuses already come with this, so you don't have to go look for bonus or anything like that. It's already put in the system. So that's cool. So this is really simple to set up, and in my opinion, really easy to take and make money. And you also can upgrade if you want more. The unlimited version, I believe, comes with 6 more. And let me see, let's look at the traffic. Oh yeah, these are all the traffic places that you can just click, share it, boom, you're done to get traffic. So they've really giving you a lot of options there for traffic. There's also unlimited traffic upgrades. You can just click there if you want that. 30K upgrade is training, so if you want to make 30,000 a month, there's training here. Super affiliate builder there. There's also a lot of traffic boost, of course, you can get help in. And this is just really cool, pretty cool for anybody. So, like I said, all you have to do is scroll down on my page and look at any of these red buttons. Read through this, what it's all about. These are the upsells and downsells, so you can get everything I just showed you is only $17.97 for everything. So the upgrade one, unlimited, the upsell 67 goes down to 47. The dump you, that's the extra one, starts at 97, goes down to 67. Unlimited traffic starts at 97, 67. I believe this is where they put their pixel on their pages, so you can collect traffic from their launches. OTO4 is 30K per month, and this is training, I believe. So which is normally 67 out of 47. Super affiliate is also training, 67 out of 37. And if you want the license rates to sell the program yourself, $197. So those are the upsells and downsells. And like I said, if you want to select any of these bonuses, which are only being offered by me, you have to click on any of these buttons right here. And they'll take you, like I said, over to this page. You just click on any of the purchase links they have on this page, and then that's it. Okay, sorry about that. I was a little interrupted there, so I had to stop the video for a second. So anyway, on the seller's page, you just click here to get started on any of these buttons. I'll go over to Warrior Plus, and then just go ahead and purchase your thing. But you got to click on these buttons to get these buttons here to get through to this page here, and then click on these buttons. And also, after you make your purchase, right in the Warrior Plus, right down here, let's say access your purchase. Here will be access affiliate bonuses. They're all delivered automatically, so they'll be right there after you buy a purchase system. So I'd like to thank you for visiting my review, and I'd like you all to have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Thanks.